Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'll be traveling in a few days, and I feel like a lot of you will probably be traveling in a few days. So because I have to pack my carry-on anyway, I figured why not do a video on it, and you guys can see if there's anything that I packed that you forgot that you should pack, anything that any last minute items you think you should pick up. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Maybe this is more of a personal item packing video than a carry-on, because I do have a carry-on suitcase, but that just has shoes and some extra space for anything that I might pick up while I'm there. But mostly for this video, I'll just be showing you guys what I pack in this bag here. I got this from H&M. My phone. I got this from H&M years ago. I want to say when I was a sophomore in college. She's still doing pretty good, So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys. Well, I guess I'm gonna unpack it and then repack it so I can show you what I'm gonna put in it, because I already have stuff in it. So of course, the first thing that I have to show you guys is my makeup. I'm not wearing any in this video because it's mostly all packed and I just didn't want to put it on today. So I did a whole video showing you guys this makeup case from Purse N. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. A whole year later, I still don't know how to say it. But let me just open this up and show you guys what's in it. Hopefully I don't break or drop or spill anything. All right. So up top here in this big compartment, I've got two eyeshadow palettes, the Shayla ColourPop palette and the Mented Everyday palette. I'm really going for pretty normal, natural looks on this trip. Two eyelashes, one dramatic one from Lily Lashes and then a natural one from the Makeup Shack. Got my two lip colors here because I'll pretty much be rocking, this type of lip here. But I also have my Fenty Gloss Bomb. Let me see if I can hold this up. You guys see that? I've pretty much got every powder that I own here. For some reason, powder is the thing that I'm taking the most of when it comes to makeup. Not sure why, but okay. I've got my Milani powder, Beauty Bakery powder. I'm bringing this Laura Mercier Secret Brightening powder. And I've got the Sephora Micro Smooth powder. I mean, they all create different combinations and they all do different things, so I just feel like I need all of them. I'm bringing the Glow powder also from Laura Mercier because I'm not bringing highlight, so this is the closest I'm going to get. I've got two concealers, and I'm not bringing any liquid concealers. I'm just bringing this NARS Soft Matte. Is that what you called? Yeah, Soft Matte Complete Concealer. And then I'm bringing this Pure Powder Concealer. I've only tried this once, but I don't know, for some reason I'm just like, let me bring this. It's not liquid, so I'm like, all right, I guess I'll try it again while I'm there. I have my Tatcha primer. I don't want to bring the Farsali one because I don't know, I'm just worried about the glass breaking and just getting everywhere. And I'm bringing my ColourPop bronzer, my ColourPop blush, and my Morphe blush. I actually was wearing this for a good minute in the beginning of the year, but then I couldn't find it, and I realized I never unpacked it from that California trip. So I just found it, so I'll bring this one too because I really like this color. Forgot a powder. I'm also bringing the Charlotte Tilbury powder. I'm bringing the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and then for a setting spray, I'm bringing the travel size of the All Nighter spray. However, I think I really do like the De-Slick Oil Control one a little bit better than I like this one, but this is travel size, so that's why I'm bringing it. And the last thing in here are my go-to brushes, which I have a whole video on if you guys would like to know which ones I'm using specifically. So I have this see-through plastic Ziploc bag, and it has all of my liquids in it. It just makes it easier when you're going through security to just take this right on out, because you have to take out liquids, electronic stuff like that. You can just take this right on out, and I've got deodorant, skincare, any liquid makeup like foundation and concealer. I have little sample sizes of perfumes, when you're ordering off Ulta or Sephora, even though Sephora is limiting the amount of samples you can get now. They have the option of like skincare and fragrance. I always like getting those just for reasons like this. Instead of bringing whole bottles of perfume, just throw those in there and then you can smell like 18 different scents on one trip. So it's gonna be a very long flight. You gotta bring things that'll occupy your time while you're there. So the first thing I'm bringing is actually my computer, which I can't show you because I use it as my monitor, so I can't pick it up, but I'll be bringing my computer so that I can edit while I'm there. I will still be uploading while I am gone. The next thing I'll be bringing is this book. right here. I'm gonna try reading on the plane. I'm feeling like what I'm gonna try to do is sleep for the first half of the flight and then stay awake for the rest of it, so that when I get off, because it'll be different time zones, I won't feel the need to want to sleep in the middle of the day over there, even though here, what time? I think it'll be like nighttime here. I'm not sure. We're still figuring this out. But basically, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try sleeping first, and then I'll be on my computer. I'll be reading books. I'll be bringing my phone. Ooh, why is my flashlight on? I'll be bringing my iPhone 6S just so I can put movies and, you know, mobile books on here so that I don't have to kill the battery on my cell phone. Oh, also, you know, chargers for both the laptop and the phones will both be in my bag as well. That light really killed your girl. So I'm bringing this. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It says Hohem on the front. I guess that's the brand name. But basically, this is a stabilizer. So if I can show it to you first. So this is what it looks like, and basically you just throw your phone in there, and if you're vlogging or anything like that, you can just hold this so it'll stabilize your phone. If you are a creator, I feel like this is great for making videos, for vlogging, anything like that. However, even if you're not a creator, if you fly frequently and fly frequently alone, I feel like this is helpful because, you know, we live in the digital age where if it didn't have pictures, then it didn't happen. So if you are flying alone, this does have a piece that you can attach to it that makes it a tripod, so you can take your own pictures, you can take your own videos with just throwing this in your bag and all that good stuff. So yeah, I got this off Amazon. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to check it out. Now for the things on the side of my bag. First is my wallet. This is my travel wallet. One, because it has a zipper, which my regular wallet does not, and two, because it's got this little wristlet here, so you know, it makes it easier to just go with this, because I feel like when I'm out and about, I don't really like purses, so I'll just bring this with me. So there's my wallet. I have a little notepad. Not sure why. Where'd I get this? I think I got this in PR, maybe. Yeah. Profusion Cosmetics. I got this in PR, just a little notepad if I need to jot anything down. I'm also bringing my planner. I forgot to bring it over here, but I'm bringing my planner. Y'all know I'm that planner type of person. I have like 4. I'll be bringing that as well so I can remember what I'll be doing each day. I have a sleeping mask here. This is from Belief. I think I got this from Generation Beauty, and since I'm talking about the sleeping mask, I'll just tell you guys about this as well. This is technically skincare, but I'm not putting it in the plastic bag. This is the Soothing Sleep Mask treatment. Yeah. All right, I'll have this linked down below, but I found this brand at the Essence festival that I went to a couple months ago. It's Black owned. Cool. They're available at Ulta. Did not know that, but what I like about this is it's a hydrating sleeping mask that doesn't leave any type of like residue or anything on your face. You know how some masks, you'll put them on, like you can clearly tell that you're wearing a mask. This doesn't do anything. It literally just looks like, you know, you moisturize your face or something like that, but it's an actual mask. And I like this because, you know, when you're flying, you're that high up in the air for that amount of time. It could really do some damage there to your skin. So I like that I can use this and no one will know that I have it on, because, you know, shout out to y'all who do the whole like actual sheet mask or stuff like that on your face. I just don't like, I'm a New Yorker. We don't like people looking at us. So I'm bringing this. Thankful for this. I literally only have like 2 other things. First being my glasses. Your girl cannot see. If you guys haven't noticed by now, it's a struggle when I'm filming these videos. When I'm not filming, 90% of the time you can probably catch me wearing these glasses because I just can't see far away. So, you know, if you're traveling, you gotta read signs, make sure you're in the right place. Bring in my glasses, and I've got mints. I get slight anxiety when it comes to flying, and I remember my mom was just like, oh, bring mints. Mind you, I don't like minted flavored anything. Bring mints with you, and if you feel like your anxiety building up, like take one. And I mean, might just be me, maybe just taking it makes me think it's helping me, but I feel like I calm down a little bit when I actually do take ones. And I mean, they're mints, so you know, your breath will be fresh, all that other stuff. Maybe the person sitting next to you's breath isn't that fresh. No shade, but can't hurt to bring them. Actually, I lied. I do have one more thing. I have this power bank here. What brand is this? Tronsmart. I got it off Amazon. It'll be in the description box down below if you want to check it out. You know, I'm bringing all these electronics with me. You need places to plug them in. I think you can get through 2.5 or 3 charges for an iPhone XS Max with this. So I feel like if you have any of the other phones, like you can get probably even more charges with this. So I need one of these. Okay, so I will be wearing this when I fly in a few days, but if you ever go to the airport in flip-flops, sandals, heels, or anything like that where your feet are already open, I would recommend bringing some socks so you can put them on when you're on the flight because it is cold up there. Okay, also not just socks, but like compression socks because your feet can also swell when you're that high up. So I would recommend some socks. It gets cold on there. Bring some sweatshirts, something. Might sound a little bit weird. I'm remembering to put it in here once I finish this video. You might want to bring some underwear. I'm just saying, especially if it is a longer flight, because I feel like the last thing you want is you finally get to your destination 17 hours later, realize that, you know, your checked bag or whatever, God forbid, has been misplaced, they can't find it, and you're still in the same underwear 17 hours later. I'm just saying, that's why, you know, toothpaste, deodorant, underwear, stuff like that, just bring an extra one. Just toss it in there. Pads, because you never know. Alrighty then, so this is the finished packed bag. Can we see the inside without tipping it over? Can we? Yeah. Oh. Y'all get the point. So that is it for what's in my carry-on. I can't believe I'm pretty much ready to go this early and that I'm not packing 7 hours before the flight takes off. Oh, 2 things I forgot. 1, hand sanitizer. I'm gonna have to look for that once I finish this video. And just, you know, making it easier. Your ID or your passport, stuff like that, you know, if you are carrying a purse, you know, little slits that they have on the sides, it's just easier to keep them in there so when you have to show them to people, you don't have to go, you know, rifling through your purse. So just a little tip there. But yeah, let me know what you guys put in your carry-ons, anything you guys think I need to add to mine. I kind of like watching videos like that because I feel like I always see something like, I forgot that. Let me go ahead and add that to my own bag. And also, if you are traveling, let me know in the comments down below where you're traveling to. I already asked that question on Twitter, and I was getting, well, I asked a question about where you guys have been. I don't know, I kind of like questions like that. It's kind of cool seeing what other people experience and how they feel about it. So let me know in the comments down below if you are traveling this week or just in the next coming weeks in general. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.